Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. So I started off by cleaning her face with wipes, after which I went in with Rimmel Stay Matte Primer to apply in her T-zone area, and I left it for some seconds before going into foundation. And I'm using the FlawlessIvy foundation, and I mixed the shade Ebony and Honey to get her shade, and I am blending it in with a damp beauty sponge. You need to take your time to blend everything in so you don't have marks or harsh lines. So I went in with my highlighter or concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I am just blending it in with a damp beauty sponge. I just went to apply the setting spray before I blended it in. You need to blend so you don't get harsh marks. It's really important for you to blend properly. I am then going back in with the beauty sponge I used for her foundation to blend the areas where the foundation meets the highlighter, just to make sure there are no harsh lines still. I'm contouring her nose with a darker shade of foundation, and I'm just brushing it in and blending it too. Then I'm contouring her face, I'm contouring her forehead, her cheekbone. I'm just using a darker shade of foundation, and I am blending it in to make sure there are no harsh lines still. I'm using the same beauty sponge I used for her highlighter. I'm using another side of the beauty sponge. To set the areas where I highlighted, I'm using a light shade. I am just putting it into the areas where I highlighted, and then I'm also going to do the same for the contour. I will use a darker shade of powder to set that area. The list of the products I use will be listed in the description box below, so kindly check it out if you need to. For her brows, I am using the Davis brow pencil. I am going in with color 3, though I will also use color 18 or number 18. So I just brush it up with a spoolie, and I'm drawing the outline with the color 3, and I'm trying to fill it in with the number 18. I'm highlighting the brows with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I'm just blending it in. I'm using the beauty sponge to blend in the upper parts of the brow so I don't see any harsh line. So I am using the duo lash glue to set her brows. You don't really need to do this thing if you have a brow tamer, but I don't have a brow tamer, and I want the hairs on the brows to stay in place all day, so that's why I'm using the lash glue. You can use any glue of your choice as far as it does the job for you. Next, I am going in with my setting powder. I'm just applying this so that I can catch fallout that may come from the eyeshadow application, because I don't want the eyeshadow to cause smear or spoil my face work I previously did. I'm going into my Bestie Gam eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking the reddish orange shade to use as a transition color. I'm then going into my powder palette. I'm taking a dark brown shade. I'm just using it to blend it in with the transition color I used earlier on. Then I'm going into Zaron Cosmetics Eyeshadow palette, and I'm picking this shimmer orange shade, and I'm using it as my crease color, and I am just applying it with a flat brush and trying to blend it in as well. For a smooth transition, I am using a brown shimmer shade at the end of the orange shade so that it can just transit smoothly. And I am blending the edges with the same brush I used earlier on. I'm just repeating the same thing under her eye area, repeating the same colors I used on her crease area. For her lashes, I am using the Zaron Eye Lengthening Mascara. I went to apply her lashes off camera, and I'm using the same mascara for her bottom lashes. I am just going back into the powder palette, and I'm taking a brush to wipe off the excess powder, and I'm trying to do this carefully so that I don't get marks or stains. For my blush, I'm going into the same Zaron Cosmetics powder palette, and I'm using the blush there. To highlight her face, I am taking my highlighter from Ewaronke palette, and I am just applying it with a brush, as you can see. I am then going back to contour her nose further. To set her entire face, I'm using my powder from Avour Cosmetics. her lips. I can't remember the names of the products, but I will list them in the description box below. But I was just trying to go for a very simple look, so I'm just mixing this nude shade with this pink shade. After which I went to apply gloss, and then to set her entire face, I am using the FlawlessIvy mist. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you learned one or two things from this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up and also comment in the comment section below. We went back in to change the lips. I wanted something subtle, so I had to go to change it. If you loved this video, don't forget to comment in the comment section and subscribe if you have not. And please do share my video and help your girl to grow. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.